Okay, today is the 19th of January 2013. This is the looks of today's 3-door apartment. Ayan. Kita nyo, palitada na siya. Almost palitada na siya sa in front. You know, especially in the middle. Medyo katatapos lang. Palitada in the whole thing, you know. So, ayan. Todo. This is it. It's look like. So, you know. So we will go to the first side. Mapapansin nyo na meron na siyang hagdanan almost. See that? So yan. So baliktaran yan actually. Notice. This is from the other side too. See? Yan. So bali, if you notice, medyo basa pa yung semento, so I cannot go inside kasi kakasemento pa lang yan. You know, rooms. You know, kakasemento pa lang yan, so can't go inside yet. But this is what it looked like. Meron na siyang ceiling. See? So ceiling, kompleto na siya. See, kasi semento lang. So basically, I cannot go inside further. Basa pa siya. So, you know. Yan. Next. Here. Tapos na rin siya. So, bali yan. Katapos lang yan. Pitada. So, completing ceiling. Ay!
Nakikita mata.
Oo. Siya yung gumawa ng ano, oh, ganda. Ng, anong tawag dyan? Cabinet. Hanging cabinet. Oo. Or, so bali hindi pa tapos yung CR. Wala nagagawa. Kisame lang. Basically.
Lataan na lang muna.
Oo nga eh. No? So, sa labas, electrical, is na. Sementado na rin to. Siya, tinatanong tayo ni Romel. So, here is. Okay. Go to the other side. Yan siya. So here, actually, medyo niwan na ng konti to because of still preparing for the electricity. So inaayos pa nila. But good thing about here, see, may hagdanan na rin siya going down. At may railing na going down here. So here it is. Toilets. And a very big room. This is big actually. Malaki na siya. Malaki siya. Tingnan. Okay. Here is what you can see here. And all right, and done.